Hello, internet friends. Wanted to hop on and talk about one of the kits that I really love from Young Living. I know I talk a lot about the premium starter kit. There's several other kits that you can get. The basic kit, the Thieves premium kit, the Ninja kit. So what I'm going to talk to you today is about the Thieves Kit. So Thieves oil is a blend of lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon, and clove. And the story of the word thieves comes from during the Black Plague, thieves would rub certain oils and certain plants on their skin so that it would help boost their immune system, and they can go in and out of homes of people that had the Black Plague and rob them. So that's where Young Living heard the story and came up with the name Thieves after that blend of oils, because it's supposed to help your immune system and boost your immune system. And I've been using it for years, and so far, knock on wood, I haven't had a cold in about 3 years. So yay! But there's also lots of scientific research and studies that I like to share in the group that talk about the medicinal benefits of lemon oil, of cinnamon, of clove, eucalyptus, and rosemary, those 5 in particular, which makes the Thieves blend. So that's where the name Thieves comes from, in case you're wondering. So the Thieves Kit comes with a bunch of Thieves oil products. So when you get the Thieves Kit, you get a 15 milliliter bottle of Thieves oil. Fantastic. Put it in your diffuser, put it in a wellness roller up and down your spine. It boosts your immune system, keeps you nice and going, keeps you going well. You can use it, put a couple drops into like a cleaning solution if you have lemon or alcohol. If you don't have Thieves cleaner, you can use Thieves oil, add it in there for scent and for disinfecting power as well. The Thieves Kit also comes with Thieves mouthwash. This is my personal one that I love to use. I don't know why I love to smell things. I'm just a smelly person. Not smelly, you know what I mean? I like to smell things. So you get the Thieves mouthwash. I'm going to read to you what the ingredients are. And it's awesome. It's an awesome mouthwash. I really like the taste of it. It's water, colloidal silver, peppermint, potassium sorbate, stevia, leaf extract, clove, spearmint, lemon, cinnamon, vetiver oil, eucalyptus, rosemary, and citric acid. So that is what makes the Thieves mouthwash. I love it. It doesn't leave you that stinging taste in your mouth where sometimes it like hurts when you're swishing your mouthwash around. It does have peppermint too, so it does give you that minty, but it also has all those other oils that I just read to you, and it's great for cleaning your breath and your teeth and your gums and your mouth and all that other stuff. So in the Thieves Kit, you also get Thieves mouthwash. In the Thieves Kit, you also get the Thieves toothpaste. So they also make an Aroma Bright Thieves toothpaste. No fluoride, no synthetic dyes, no artificial flavors, and no preservatives. So it's water, calcium carbonate, coconut oil, sodium bicarbonate, glycerin, xylitol, xanthan gum, peppermint oil, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus, the 5 oils that make up Thieves oil, ocotillo oil, and I think I got everything. So that's what makes up the fluoride-free Thieves toothpaste. I have this one as well, and I love it. It's very thick, because as you know, a lot of Young Living products is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Very thick. I put probably like a tiny little pea size on my toothbrush, and I brush my teeth. And then I use my Thieves mouthwash, and then I'm good to go. So you get those 3 things already in the Thieves Kit. Then you get 2 bottles of Thieves Concentrated Cleaner. And if you've been following me, you know how much I love this thing. So one of these bottles will make you up to 65 bottles of 30-ounce cleaner, which cleans everything. So it ends up costing, we did the breakdown, it ends up costing about 26 cents a bottle. So, you know, you spend $4 on a bottle of glass cleaner. I'm spending 26 cents. And it ends up cleaning everything. So this one bottle 65 bottles of 30-ounce cleaner. Fantastic. In the Thieves Kit, you get 2 of them. This will last you for years. If you have a cleaning business, it'll last you. One of these bottles lasts me about anywhere between 3 to 5 months, depending on how many homes I clean. My friends have this for their personal home, and it lasts them between 1 to 2 years. So great investment, great deal. So also in the Thieves Kit, you get 2 bottles of the Thieves foaming hand soap. This one's mine, I already have it opened. This one is a brand new one, and you get 2 of them. That's how it looks when you get it. You get 2 of these in the Thieves Kit. Thieves Premium Starter Kit, I believe it's called. So one of these foaming hand soaps will make 3. Because again, Young Living products are very concentrated. So what I like to do, for example, what I did with this one is get a glass jar, you know, when you're done with your ragu, rinse it out really good. I pour about a quarter, not a quarter, I leave behind a quarter. So I pour about 7/8 of it into a glass jar, put a lid on it, label it foaming soap, and put it away. And then I leave that much left, and then I fill the rest up with water. So I make 3 out of this one. That's a great deal. So cost-wise, it ends up costing like $2 and change, almost $3 for one of these, because like I said, you make 3 out of it, which is a pretty great deal for foaming hand soap. And in the Thieves Kit, you get 2 of them. So that means you get 6 bottles of foaming hand soap. And it smells fantastic because it smells like Thieves. So it's water, dicyl glucoside, alcohol, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus, lemon, and a bunch of other words that make it the foaming hand soap. Citric acid, so it's all on the back of that. So in the Thieves Kit, you get 2 of them. You get a lot of stuff in that Thieves Kit. Oh, that's the little, I keep dropping it. All right, that's the cap for the Thieves foaming hand soap. Then in the Thieves Kit, you also get 2 Thieves waterless hand sanitizers. These are fantastic. They are, let me tell you how awesome they are. The ingredients is ethyl alcohol, 65%, and yeah. And I believe it also has a Thieves oil in it. I gotta lift this up and I'll say more under it, but and peppermint oil too, I believe. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, water, aloe vera, peppermint, clove, lemon, eucalyptus, cinnamon, and alcohol. So this has actually been, was recently added to the Singapore US version of what the EPA list is for, no, not that, I'm sorry. This is, I'll get to that in a few minutes. This, though, has 65% alcohol. The CDC recommends 60% alcohol for hand sanitizer to kill off germs, especially COVID. This has 65% alcohol, so pretty awesome. And a little goes a long way. I put 1 tiny little drop, and I rub it on my hands, and it smells fantastic. It smells like Thieves oil plus peppermint. And the aloe vera also helps it not become drying. As you know, when you have alcohol, it'll dry your skin out. This has peppermint and aloe vera and the other oils, so it really helps to prevent your hands from drying up. So you get 2 of these in the Thieves Kit. Gosh, I hope it's not going to rain. It looks like it's going to. And lastly, you get 2 of these in the Thieves Kit. This is a Thieves spray. So it's basically Thieves oil and rubbing alcohol in a spray form. So you could spray it anywhere you go, like on a shopping cart, spray it on your hands if you need a hand sanitizer. This was recently added to the Singapore list of, it's pretty much the equivalent, consider it like the equivalent of the EPA list of products that kill COVID because of the alcohol concentrate in this. This was recently added to the Singapore list. So the ingredients are alcohol, water, you know, the 5 essential oils, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. So, and I believe it has 65% alcohol in it as well. So that's a Thieves spray. So it's pretty awesome. So you get 2 of those. You get 2 of those in the Thieves Kit. You get 2 hand sanitizers in the Thieves Kit. You get 1 bottle of the 15 milliliter, and 15 milliliter gives you anywhere between 250 to 300 drops of essential oil. You get one of those. You get a toothpaste. You get a mouthwash. You get 2 bottles of the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, and one will make 3, so essentially you get 6 bottles. And you get 2 bottles of Thieves Concentrated Cleaner, which is fantastic, and it will make lots of bottles of household cleaner. You get all that, and I believe the price is $125, if I'm not mistaken, for all that goodness. And what I'm going to do for you is if you sign up and you buy the Thieves Kit under me, I will give you either a $20 credit, so you can buy anything else in the future, so you get 20 bucks. So in essence, $125, you actually pay $105. Or I will hook you up with another bottle of Thieves Cleaner if you want it. If you don't want another bottle, you can always re-gift it, or give it to somebody as a gift. You can also resell it as long as it's sealed. You can sell it for the wholesale price that it is. And I will also give you, if you buy the Thieves Kit under me, I will give you a Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. So pick what you want. You can either get a $20 credit, the Thieves Household Cleaner, or the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, and I will hook you up for free. If you're local around me, I will physically give it to you, or contactless. I can leave it on your porch or something. When you buy the Thieves Kit, if you're not close to me, I will order it for you and have Young Living ship it directly to you. Yay. So that's all the goodies that you get in the Thieves Kit. Pretty awesome. So if you have any questions or comments, and when you order your Thieves Kit, you let me know what you want. If you want the 20 bucks, if you want the Thieves Cleaner, or if you want the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. You let me know and I will hook you up with that freebie. And it's not just for the month of June, it's for whenever. So as long as you order it from me, I will take care of you. So that's all the goodies you get in the Thieves Kit. Pretty awesome investment, if I do say so myself. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns or anything, let me know. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to head in before it starts to rain. Bye. Peace.